Here's a fireworks show in my tablet, so just look at this. It's a lock screen fireworks show. Well, if you use this effect, I'll show you. If you want this fireworks show on your Samsung device like this, it's only available to Samsung Galaxy S3 to S5. So I'll show you. If you want this animation, here. If you want to make your own fireworks show video like this, try it. Then here, go to settings. If you make a good job in the video, then post it and comment it to me to let me know that, okay? I will like to show you something in the device. Lock screen and choose a screen lock type swipe, and the unlock effect is tap on the unlock effect and tap on popping colors if you do so. That is what you want to show. So you know what? I'll show you the animation of a firework here. So it cannot be a video. Look at the firework. Look at the fireworks show. Look at the fireworks. They were popping right now. Because of that popping colors. The fireworks are like this, right? Are they so cool? I'm trying to build a longer firework video show. In fact, it's a tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.